Hi, friends. It's Susan Nunemaker, and I want to invite you to open house this Saturday at 5:15 Brasstown Court in Pendleton. Y'all, this townhome is gorgeous, and the doors will be open from 1:30 p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. this Saturday. Not only is it gorgeous, but we need to talk math because this seller is offering a 2-1 buy down for qualified buyers. Let's talk more about that. What is a 2-1 buy down? Y'all, this is an amazing opportunity. So, a 2-1 buy down brings your interest rate down, which for you means it brings your monthly payment down. So, in this example, a 2-1 buy down is going to bring your payments down for the first 2 years that you live in this home. Let's look at an example. This home is priced at $249,900, and we're going to assume a 6.1% interest rate that you have qualified for. We're also going to assume with that you have really great credit and you're a well-qualified buyer. Now, one more assumption we need to make is that you have put 5% down on this home at closing. So with all those assumptions, during the first year, you're going to save almost $300 a month because of this special financing opportunity that the seller is offering. You're going to save $292, so almost $300 a month for 12 months. So your payment would have been $1,439 a month with a traditional mortgage situation. But with this special opportunity, your mortgage is going to be $1,147 a month based on all the assumptions that we made. That's the first year. The second year, your percentage, that 6.1% that you qualified for in our assumptions, comes down 1 percentage point. So that's going to be 5.1% instead of 6.1% during the second year. That means that you're going to save $150 a month every month during that second year. So your payment, again, at 6.1% would have been $1,439 a month. During your second year of homeownership with this property, it's going to be $1,289 a month based on the assumptions we've made. Now, the third year of a 2-1 buy down, the third year goes back to whatever mortgage rate you qualified for. In this case, we've assumed 6.1%. So that means that you could refinance for a lower rate, or you could go to that $1,439 a month payment. Totally your call. It helps you get into homeownership at a lower monthly payment. Y'all, this is an amazing opportunity that does not happen every day. The seller is really going above and beyond to try to help someone get into this home. So show up at open house. I would love to talk with you more about this. And in the meantime, you know where to find me. Susan Nunemaker, Posh Property Realty Group, 864-722-2065.